So you might be wondering, how do you notify other team members that they have been assigned work? And there's two ways that I want to cover for you. The first is if there is a board that does not have anybody assigned in it in the library. When we create that run, it's going to be empty. But when we put a person, a team member, onto that particular board, then they will get a notification. So in this case here, we've got create $100 million offer, and I come into it and we can see that there are no team members assigned to either the results or the processes. But when I come across and actually assign this to Ben, if I then cut across to Ben's account, what we're going to see is, first of all, a notification that I have assigned him that work. And then secondly, also, if it is turned on, then there is an email that notifies him of that. So this is very useful if there is a fast start board or a blank board and you are assigning team as you go along. That's our first case scenario. The second case is, let's come back to our home. We're just going to remove that. But let's say there is a magic board that always has the same people assigned. And what we need to do then is come into the library itself and then look for, let's use this $100 million offer one. Again, we're going to edit it, and this time I'm going to assign Ben to that first task this way. If we save this back to the library, then there is no notification at this point. Why is that? Well, it's just sitting in the library. It hasn't been used yet. And so we can see that nothing has happened. But if I come across now back to the home and I'm in my account here, I'm going to run that new board, and then we're going to see what happens. When I do that, we can create the run, and in that, it is now generating the magic board. And you can already see that we've got Ben here applied to the team members. If we come into it, we can see that it copied it from the library and kept him assigned to that first thing. And if we come across to his account, we're going to find, first of all, a notification here that this assigned here. And then finally, if we come into email, again, there was a notification on that email. So these are the two ways that people can be assigned, either as a fast start or a blank or a board without team assigned, and then I assign them in that board, or they're already assigned in the library and then I run that board and the system will automatically notify those people both in the notification system and in the email, if they have that turned on, that they have that work to do. All right, I hope you found this valuable, and this covers how people are notified in the system when a board is run by someone else other than them, in order to let them know that they have work to do.